Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. You have the Dow Industrials down 33, NASDAQ off 14, S&P's up. S&P's down 5.5. NASDAQ futures, they're up 2. Gold contract down $10.50, trading at $1,208 an ounce. Silver, holy cow, down 58 cents at $16.98 an ounce. Platinum down $7 at $1,299 an ounce. Copper down 5 pennies at $3 a pound. Now check this one out. Light sweet crude down $3.28 a barrel at 91.29. Bonds, the 10-year off 3 ticks at 124.22. The 30-year off 11 ticks at 137.31. And King Dollar up 319 ticks at 86.03. That was up 500 ticks at one point. Euro down 55 at 126, and the yen's trading up 18 at 109.67. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Cash S&P out here today, low is 1968, the high is 1985. You're at 1973. I suspect this bounce isn't over yet. Market's having a hard time holding price, but I expect you're going to probably get a little more bounce. Larger, that's the smaller portion, shorter term portion. Longer term, next stop on the SPY is down to 190. I suspect we got the SPY get up to about did get to 198.30 today. It can get to that price point again. I don't expect you're going to get over it. This is just a time deal right now, meaning that it's the end of the month today. You get the beginning of the month tomorrow. Dow Industrials is set up a really sweet ABC structure on the way down. I expect you're probably going to test this high of today once again. That was 17,145, but the setup is really sweet. See, the higher range, folks, is 17,151. Dow Industrials today, 17,145. It just can't get in that higher range. That's how that baby is set up right now. The NASDAQ composite, we go over to the composite. We look at the composite. Same type of setup. Composite was as high as 45.22 today, which, you know, you're down 12 now. At 45.22, bottom line, you would have been up 22. I suspect that can get back up into that level again. That also is coming into the downdraft, however, of the first 2 real fast days that we had on the way down. That was September 15th and September 16th. We look at the 3 Qs. We use the... There she is. We take the 3 Qs. We take a look at the 3 Qs. This is what you have with the 3 Qs. Really sweet. You're up in 30 million shares versus the downtown out here of 68 million. And they really can't hold price. Inside the 3 Qs right now, what's putting strength into the NDX 100, you have eBay. eBay is splitting into 2 companies, PayPal and eBay. Wynn Resorts is up $8.96. That's quite a jump. This stock has got killed, but that's quite a jump. Man, that's volatility in spades. That is the second leader inside the NDX 100. REGN is up $5. That's one of the biotechs. And Whole Foods is up 53 cents. Taken away from it on the way down, you have Charter Communications is down 471. You have NXP Semiconductor, that's down 192. Vodafone is off 71, and Vertex Pharmaceutical is down $2.25. We look inside the Dow Industrials, strength versus the weakness. Visa is the strength inside the Dow Industrials. That's up 257. You have Coca-Cola is up 37 cents. GE is up 22. Walmart's up 35. Taken away from it is Home Depot is off $1.15. Chevron is down 145. Big Mac is down a 109, and Boeing is off 135. Now let's go over and we take a look. Let's go to the gold. What do we have with gold? Gold takes out its low of today. Right now we have Let's see. So we've done 169,000 contracts out here. I believe Thursday was 185,000. Yeah, it was 186,000. The low of Thursday was 1206.60. We got to 1204.30. And at this point, you have lighter volume there, and it has rejected price. That's on the shorter term basis. The longer term basis, what you have with gold is continuing to do, and which silver is not, okay? Let's pull this up and we'll see how this shakes out. What you have with gold is that the first swing low in gold is 1179. That was the swing of the June of 2013. The second swing low out here was the 1181. That was December of 2013. In both cases, you're coming into those levels. So the bottom line is that, yeah, you can go down and test those levels. Silver market, this is pretty intense, man. Let me pull this up. Holy cow. SIZ4. So silver takes the deep, 60,000 contracts, always more volatile than gold, no doubt about that. We put this SI1, we'll put this on a continuous contract. We bring this back. Okay, so silver is broken. The 1818, boy, that sets up a heavy scene, man. So the way the setup is on silver right now, you got, bottom line is that this is going to be amazing, actually. Yeah, you get $13. It's wide open. 13. You know, your first stop, 1430. You know, bottom line, though, is that there's not a lot there. Once you get into the $17 level, which we did, $17.80 to be exact, this thing can go to $12.20, which is pretty intense. If we go, let's go look at this SLV for a second. The SLV trades at 10% of the price of silver. Not 10% of the price, not like gold. Okay, let me put this up. I get a feeling that this thing is going back to 2008 when I was looking at this. So right now this is 1629. You've broken, okay, the swing point of June of 2013. You haven't broken it with volume, however. You know, so the bottom line is that, you know, we'll see where that gets any support. Right now you're at 1624, you know, 1550, you might get something going. Some of the Dow stocks, you have American Express down 35 cents. You get Oxy. Oh, oil. We got to go to oil, man. This oil contract, holy cow. This is pretty intense. So you get gasoline. This is so beautiful, man. Gasoline is going to 225, which is just amazing. Crude oil. So gasoline, folks, unleaded is down 4%. Crude oil is down 3.5. Silver is down 3.3. When you look at this context here, gold's only down 0.8%. You can see that gold's holding it up. We get out to the oil market. We take a look at this oil market right now. It's down 333, and you get juice behind the move. 400,000 contracts. Yeah, this is going to be a monster ABC structure on the way. Well, we'll see how it takes out. Actually, hold it. There it is. It's a complex ABC. Yeah, this is an ABC down $85. $85 in the oil market. We take a look at the gasoline market, and of course we'll get our man Andy Hecht on here in the next hour. He'll explain what's going on between the oil and gasoline market. So the gasoline, this is intense. I've never seen gasoline down 10. Gasoline, folks, is down 10, almost 11 pennies. That's like unbelievable. Bottom line. This baby wants to get down to, let's see, so you got 290, 50, that's $40. Yeah, it's 235. We're going to 235. 235, 225 unleaded. That's a beautiful thing. The bonds, the 10-year bond, this bond, folks, is going to the moon. So check this out. 10-year bond today is down to a low of 124.16. Rejects that low. You're at 124.23. This is doing another ABC structure on the way up. Bonds to the moon, baby. Yields. Where are we? Yields right now in the 10 years, 2.5. 877-927-6648. Dow Industrial's down 21. Nasdaq's off 10. S&Ps are off 4. Stay right there, folks. Coming back. Come right.